In the quiet hum of a sun-drenched afternoon, a familiar silhouette graces the armchair. A cat, profoundly still, immersed in a world beyond our waking comprehension. For countless generations, we've observed these elegant creatures dedicate nearly two-thirds of their lives to slumber. This profound dedication to rest often appears as an enigma, a serene mystery nestled in our homes. But beneath the soft purrs and tranquil poses lies a complex, essential biological imperative, deeply rooted in their very nature. This isn't merely rest, it's a finely tuned survival strategy, honed over millennia. Meet Dr. Evelyn Reed, a renowned feline ethologist whose life's work revolves around deciphering the intricate behaviors of our domestic companions. 3 weeks ago, Evelyn began a new observational study, meticulously documenting the sleep patterns of a rescue cat named Luna, a sleek Siamese mix. Luna's seemingly endless naps are not just cute, they are data points in a larger quest to understand the profound evolutionary purpose behind feline sleep. For Evelyn, every twitch, every deep breath, every stretch upon waking, tells a piece of a story that began millions of years ago in the wild. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning their survival hinges entirely on a diet of animal protein. This fundamental biological truth dictates their entire existence, from their razor-sharp claws to their incredible agility. To hunt successfully, a cat expends massive bursts of energy, stalking, pouncing, climbing. Such intense, high-stakes activities cannot be sustained constantly. It's a game of strategic energy management, where periods of explosive action must be balanced by extensive rest. This ancient blueprint, etched into their DNA, is the primary driver for their impressive sleep quota. Felines are naturally crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. These twilight hours offer optimal hunting conditions, low light for camouflage, and prey animals often stirring. This concentrated burst of high-intensity activity, typical for a predator, is metabolically demanding. It's an evolutionary trade-off, immense energy expenditure for a short window of opportunity, followed by prolonged periods of rest to recover, digest, and conserve energy for the next hunting cycle. This rhythm is hardwired, dictating their daily cycle of alertness and profound sleep. On average, a cat will spend between 12 and 16 hours each day asleep. That's significantly more than humans, and for good reason. Each nap, whether a deep slumber or a light doze, serves a vital physiological purpose. Dr. Reed's observations confirm this consistent pattern across all her subjects. This isn't just downtime, it's an intricate program of restoration and recalibration. Even when they appear to be merely lounging, their bodies are engaged in crucial processes, preparing them for their next period of intense, focused activity. Their internal clock is a master of efficiency. Just like humans, cats experience distinct sleep stages. The initial phase is non-rapid eye movement, or NREM sleep. During NREM, the cat's body enters a state of deep physical rest. Muscle activity decreases, heart rate and breathing slow, and brain waves become longer and slower. This is the crucial period for bodily repair. Cells regenerate, tissues heal, and energy stores are replenished. It's a profound state of maintenance, preparing the cat's physique for the rigors of hunting and exploration that define their waking hours. Without adequate NREM, their physical prowess would wane. Following NREM, cats transition into rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. This is often the most captivating stage, marked by subtle twitches of paws, whiskers, and even vocalizations. During REM, the brain becomes highly active, processing information and consolidating memories from the day. This is when cats dream. While we can't know precisely what they dream about, the scientific consensus suggests their dreams often replay daily activities, chasing, playing, and perhaps even interacting with their human companions. It's a vital mental workout, crucial for their cognitive health. For Dr. Reed, observing Luna in REM sleep is particularly illuminating. Those subtle muscle spasms and rapid eye movements are indicative of a brain actively processing and organizing the day's events. This memory consolidation isn't just for remembering where the food bowl is, it's about reinforcing hunting strategies, learning from missed pounces, and strengthening spatial awareness crucial for navigating their territory, whether it's a vast outdoor space or a cozy living room. REM sleep, therefore, is not a luxury, but a critical component of their learning and adaptive capabilities. Sleep requirements aren't static across a cat's lifespan. Kittens, for instance, can sleep up to 20 hours a day. This extensive rest is fundamental for their rapid physical growth, neurological development, and processing the flood of new information they encounter daily. Similarly, senior cats often revert to longer sleep durations. Their aging bodies require more time for repair and recuperation, and their minds benefit from the sustained cognitive processing that sleep provides. These shifts in sleep patterns are a clear indication of its adaptive biological importance at every stage of life. A cat's chosen sleep position can be a subtle yet profound indicator of their sense of security. A cat stretched out on their back, exposing their vulnerable belly, signifies deep trust and comfort in their environment. In contrast, a cat curled tightly into a ball, protecting vital organs, often suggests a lighter, more cautious sleep, perhaps in an unfamiliar or slightly insecure setting. Evelyn notes Luna often starts curled but gradually relaxes into an exposed position, a testament to the safety she feels. It's a primal gauge of their perceived safety, a window into their emotional state. Sometimes, a cat will even purr softly while asleep. This often indicates a state of profound comfort and contentment. However, scientific research also suggests that a cat's purr, with its low-frequency vibrations, typically 25 to 150 Hz, can have healing properties. These vibrations are associated with bone growth and repair, pain relief, and even muscle regeneration. So, that gentle rumble isn't just a sign of happiness, it's a biological mechanism that aids in their physical repair and well-being, even during their deepest rest. A remarkable testament to their self-sufficiency. Before settling down for a significant nap, many cats engage in meticulous grooming. This isn't merely about cleanliness, it's a crucial ritual that serves several physiological purposes. Grooming helps to regulate their body temperature, distributing natural oils and removing loose fur. More importantly, it's a self-soothing behavior, calming their nervous system and preparing their minds for rest. By cleansing and organizing their coat, they create an optimal physical state for deep, restorative sleep, shedding any residual anxiety or sensory overload from their waking hours. Waking from a deep sleep, a cat rarely springs directly into action. Instead, they perform a deliberate, full-body stretch, known as pandiculation. This isn't a casual gesture, it's a vital physiological process. Stretching helps to reactivate muscles, improve blood flow, and clear metabolic waste products that accumulate during periods of inactivity. It also primes their nervous system, preparing their body for immediate, powerful movements essential for a predator. It's a remarkable transition from profound rest to readiness, ensuring they are always prepared for opportunity or threat. The extensive sleep patterns we observe in domestic cats are not unique to them. Their magnificent wild cousins lions, tigers, cheetahs also dedicate significant portions of their day to rest. A lion, for example, can sleep up to 20 hours a day. This reinforces the evolutionary imperative: whether in a sprawling savanna or a suburban living room, the life of a feline predator is one of intense, sporadic activity. Deep, prolonged sleep is the universal strategy for conserving energy, recovering from exertion, and maintaining peak physical and mental readiness across the entire feline family. At first glance, it seems paradoxical: an apex predator, built for speed and stealth, spends so much time seemingly inactive. Yet, this is precisely the tension Dr. Reed speaks of. Each hunt demands immense concentration and explosive power. The energy cost of chasing, catching, and subduing prey is astronomical. Without deep, restorative sleep, the cat would quickly become inefficient, vulnerable, and ultimately, unable to survive. Their extensive sleep isn't a sign of weakness, but a sophisticated physiological adaptation that ensures their long-term effectiveness as hunters, day after day. The science is clear: a cat's sleep is far more than mere idleness. It's a complex, multifaceted biological process vital for their survival and well-being. From the cellular repair of NREM to the memory consolidation of REM, every nap is a strategic investment in their future. It ensures peak physical conditioning, sharpens cognitive functions, and regulates their emotional state. Their ancient genetic programming guides them to maximize efficiency, allowing them to remain formidable predators and resilient companions in our modern world. Sleep is their secret weapon, their silent strength. Back in Dr. Reed's study, Luna awakens with a gentle stretch, her emerald eyes slowly opening to survey her surroundings. Her extensive slumber is complete, and she is now fully recharged, ready for her next adventure, perhaps a playful chase, a quiet exploration of a sunbeam, or simply demanding a meal. Understanding the profound science behind their sleep allows us to appreciate our feline companions on an even deeper level. Their napping isn't laziness, it's a masterpiece of evolutionary biology unfolding daily in our homes, a testament to the wild spirit living within them. So, the next time you see a cat deep in slumber, remember, they are not just resting. They are actively optimizing their bodies and minds, consolidating memories, repairing tissues, and conserving energy for their next burst of activity. They are living archives of ancient instincts, gracefully navigating the demands of their world through the profound art of rest. Their sleep is a powerful, dynamic force, ensuring their survival and allowing them to thrive. It's a silent, beautiful dance between instinct and science, playing out in every single nap.